Imagine you're standing at the base of a 100-story skyscraper. You hear a crack. The ground shakes. How fast do you need to be moving before it's too late? Let's start with the scary version. Most people picture a building falling like a giant tree, tipping over in one solid piece. If a 100-story skyscraper did that, the top would have to travel hundreds of feet in just a few seconds. By the time the roof hit the sidewalk, it would be moving at over 150 miles per hour. To outrun that, you'd need a sports car, a clear road, and a lot of luck. But buildings aren't trees. When a skyscraper's structure fails, it doesn't tip, it pancakes. The upper floors crush the lower floors, and the whole thing accelerates straight down at close to the speed of gravity. That's actually the less cinematic outcome, but here's the catch. The debris doesn't stay put. When thousands of tons of concrete hit the ground at once, they stop behaving like a solid and start behaving like a fluid. We actually have a perfect real-world example of this. In 1919, a molasses tank in Boston collapsed, and the resulting wave was fast enough to demolish buildings and kill people before they could get clear. Now imagine that, but instead of syrup, it's a churning wall of pulverized concrete and steel. Eyewitness accounts and engineering studies from real collapses suggest this debris surge can travel outward at anywhere from 20 to 40 miles per hour. So here's your answer. You need to be running at least 25 to 40 miles per hour to have a fighting chance. Usain Bolt tops out at about 28. The average person runs maybe 8 to 10. In other words, no, you cannot outrun a collapsing skyscraper on foot. You'd need a motorcycle, a clear street, and you'd need to already be moving before the building comes down. The best survival strategy isn't speed, it's distance. If you see something going wrong, don't wait to watch. The people who survive these events aren't the ones who run the fastest. They're the ones who left first. In conclusion, the best way to outrun a collapsing building is to be in a different city when it happens.